In global trade, confidence comes from clarity, and this August in Anaheim, California, you can get both. Global Training Center is bringing 4 essential in-person seminars that will help you gain knowledge, insight, and expertise to stay compliant in the world of international trade. Our seminars will take place at the Embassy Suites Anaheim Orange. Meet our trade compliance expert, Trudy Wilson, whose energetic, engaging style turns complex regulations into clear, actionable steps. The topics include exporting procedures, importing procedures, a tariff classification workshop, and Incoterms 2020 rules. All courses are accredited for LCBCE credits. Our seminars aim to help protect your company from fines, minimize risks, and optimize your trade compliance program. We want you to be able to create a compliance culture and eliminate any unnecessary violations. Visit globaltrainingcenter.com/Anaheim to reserve your seat.